This is analog to digital converter. Whether this will convert analog voltage into a digital voltage. These are the switches. The switches will give the digital input, and that digital input goes into the 741 op-amp IC. This will output the analog voltage. That's analog voltage insert into a second one 741 op-amp, and also be insert analog voltage. This 741 work as a comparator. This analog voltage give a reference voltage into a analog input, and that analog output, when this voltage is equal to reference voltage, the digital LED will display out as we shown in experiment. Make a connection. Output of 741 goes into a comparator. This reference voltage into a comparator, and also be reference voltage display on the voltmeter. Connect ground to ground. And merge the dotted line. Simple connection. Switch on the trainer. Firstly, potentiometer set at 0 volt. In step 1, see that this digital LED will glow whether doesn't give any input. When we give some input through the logic switch, zero point 0.5 volt, the digital LED will not be glow. As says, slowly increase the analog voltage. That's analog voltage will be displayed on voltmeter. Whether the voltage of the input switch and the analog voltage, when these two voltage are equal, when this voltage reach at this voltage, LED will glow, and this LED will indicate a digital logic. Give a analog input. See this. This bit has 0.50 input. When we give this input, the voltage of analog voltage is equal to this bit, and when this voltage is equal to this, LED will glow. Again see that. Give a second bit. When the voltage reach at 1.5 volt, again same procedure, increase analog voltage. This analog voltage insert into a comparator 741. When the voltage reach at a voltage of the combination of these two 1.5 volt, LED will glow, logic high. Glow LED show logic high. The next, again give a third logic. The voltage reach at 3.5 volt. Increase a voltage. At this time, LED will show logic low. When the voltage reach at certain voltage 3.5, logic high. Last bit, voltage reach at 7.5 volt. Again increase the voltage. Analog, digital, analog to digital conversion. And the analog voltage reach at certain voltage, logic high. Show a logic high. This experiment shows analog to digital conversion. Firstly digital to analog and analog to digital. Thank you.